Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is anomaly. Anomaly is a noun that means something noticeably different from what is normal, expected, or consistent, with a larger pattern making it stand out as unusual. For example, the scientist repeated the experiment because one unusually high temperature reading was an anomaly compared with the consistent results from every other trial. Her failing quiz score was an anomaly because she had earned high marks all semester and returned to her usual performance the following week. The warm January afternoon was an anomaly in a month when temperatures had otherwise remained below freezing almost every day. Synonyms for anomaly include exception, abnormality, irregularity, aberration, and oddity. Anomaly is often used in science, data, medicine, and analysis, and it emphasizes a deviation from an expected pattern, not merely something strange. That's anomaly. One word, stronger English.